Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever it is right now where you're watching from. Put it down in the comments. Let me know where you guys are watching from. Today, I want to talk about the Prelude. I need you guys' help, honestly. I don't know what to do. Look at those two beauties, though. I mean, they just don't make cars this beautiful anymore, I tell you. Anyways, guys, today I'm talking about the Prelude. Need some help. Actually, let's just start here. The exterior, the body of this car, a lot of it is in really good condition. Obviously, the paint, like on the hood, looks great. The bumper's really not in bad condition. But one of the main issues that I'm having, and I've been having since day one with this car, the OG subscribers know, is leaky taillights and just water in the trunk. So coming back to the trunk, it's a mess, to be honest. Hopefully this thing will stay up for a while. I'll take this little liner out because we don't need it in there right now. And it really give you guys a bare bones look at this. I mean, you can tell all the way down here, there's straight up, I mean, that's a factory drain hole. It's a little rusted out, as you can tell. But like that's not a factory drain hole. That is just a good old rust hole where you can see the grass underneath it. Obviously got some more rust up there. That's pretty much it for over here. This side is actually in great condition. I haven't noticed any rust anywhere else over there. Moving over here, this is the only temp work I've done on this. This hole is probably like this big, and like you can tell there, you can see all the way straight through it. And then over here, it's not good. So I hit that with just some primer to try and keep it from rusting, same here, and then some insulation foam. This was like day one. I did this like the first day 2 years ago when I bought this car and realized this was here, so. And now I know a lot of you are gonna say, well, check your drain plugs for the sunroof and all the drain tubes. I've done that. I've hit like all of them with compressed air and made sure that none of them were clogged. I've taken these taillights on and off. I can't even tell you how many times, probably as many times as I've taken the F30's front bumper on and off. And the taillights continue to leak. I've tried resealing them. I've tried buying new ones. I think I've almost replaced all of these. And to be honest, it's just not working. So the only thing I haven't done is entirely disassemble the headlights and take them apart and somehow reseal them. I feel like they're too brittle to even disassemble, but let me know down in the comments. Have you guys tried this before? Have you dealt with the same issue? I mean, I'm like scratching my head because I've taken these out, replaced the foam moldings that go around the taillights and basically prevent moisture from getting into the trunk. I've replaced those as well, and it's still doing the same thing. So what I've noticed, back here, the water tends to pool in the taillights kind of just like right in here. Like I'll stick my finger down and it will just be wet. And that goes for the middle taillight, both sides on, the right side, or the passenger and the driver's side taillight. It's the same for all of them. So what I'd like to do, and if someone knows how to do it, is take these all off the car and disassemble them and reseal them. The other place I'm finding water coming from is, I can't remember, but I think it was like, no, it was up here. It was like not related to the drain tube, but it was like coming from up beyond there, and I don't even know how I would go about getting in there. So that's kind of the status of the trunk. It's honestly like the biggest, just put this back in there and we'll just shut that and try not to think about it anymore. It sucks because the rest of the car is just super clean, so it's just the one thing I really need to deal with. And that, anyways, I need your help, guys. What do you recommend I do? I've gotten some other recommendations. Some people have told me to just cut out everything and weld in a whole new trunk. I obviously can't do that, so that would have to be done and paid. I'd have to pay a shop to do it. The other option is to like do some Bondo work, obviously take out as much rust as possible, put rust inhibitor on there, and then Bondo and patchwork all the holes so that way everything's sealed up. And then probably just, to be honest, like bed liner afterwards, just seal that whole trunk up. I don't really care or need it to look OEM. I just want it to be sealed and not leak. The Prelude needs your help. I need your help. Let me know, guys. Please put it down in the comments what you recommend. I mean, if it really does mean taking it to a shop and spending like, I don't even know, I'm guessing for body work like that, it's gonna be close to $1,000. I mean, if that's really what it comes down to, then I guess it is what it is. But as you know, I'd wanna tackle this in a DIY manner and probably a much more cost-efficient way. So put it down in the comments. It's kind of what it is. That's what I got for you today. I wish I had more to catch you up on, but today was kind of a chill Saturday. Not really doing much, just like I said, chill Saturday. So I wanted to get your opinion on the Prelude. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video or upload, head over there and learn a little bit more about that Honda Accord. And the F30 is just in the car for it. You guys know, I'm just working on that. I'm waiting. I'm gonna end up getting probably an O2 sensor, and I'm also gonna end up ordering a front brake pad wear sensor for that thing, so that way I can reset my brake light. After I flushed it in the last episode, I wasn't able to get the light to reset, so I'm thinking that it's the wear sensor. I think because that caliper was the one that I was having issues with. I think it somehow tricked the computer into thinking the pads were gone and they're not. So I'm gonna try and unplug the sensor, and worst comes to worst, just replace it, and hopefully that should fix it. But you know, 100,000 plus miles on a BMW, that sort of problem just happens, I guess. Just trying to deal with it, fix it, and get rid of that car and move on to the next project. So I wish I had more for you guys today, but I don't. So that's it. I do have one of these hoodies left on the website. I think it's an XL, so go grab that if you're a bigger dude than I am. And guys, I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Comments down below. Please let me know what you recommend. And I will see you guys in the next one. Keep elevating. Subscribe here. All those things. Likes, comments. Adios. Bye-bye.